Introducing the 2004 Chrysler Town & Country. This 7-passenger van provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.